Hello and welcome back to another video by Seen Through Cars. Today we are test driving a Volkswagen Golf. Under the hood there is a 4-cylinder petrol engine. It has 1.2 liters and produces 85 horses. The car gets powered through a 5-speed manual gearbox. Easy to shift. You got basic equipment, therefore the interior could be more the infotainment system and stuff. There could be leather, but all in all, a Golf is a really practical car. It's compact, but there is enough space for 5 people, and you got a little trunk as well. It's not too expensive. The fuel economy is great as well. All in all, I think for the price you get a lot of car, and that's what Volkswagen stands for. Of course, there aren't the most luxurious materials used, but the steering wheel feels quite good and it looks like aluminium. You got automatic light, and yeah, I think in this car you get what you expect, and I can really recommend such cars. Steering is more direct than you would think, and the steering wheel itself, beside of the leather, it has a nice feeling, a nice size, except of the plastic over here. I don't like that, but you only grab the circle around and it is flat underneath for a more sporty feeling. I'm in 5th gear now, and acceleration, yeah, it's not a sports car, but it's quite alright for overtaking. Maybe not at short distances, but if you got enough space you can overtake slower cars quite good. You got the electronic brake, handbrake, that feels really modern. We got climate control over here, and you can connect your phone via a cable. This could be better, like Bluetooth, but yeah. If you do not expect too much from your car, Volkswagen Golf is the way to go, I would say. If you buy a base equipped Audi A3, it is not quite better. So yeah, of course it is a little bit more luxurious, but in the end it's kind of the same. So I would go for the Golf and not for the A3. But of course you got more shit to upgrade in the Audi. Fuel consumption is about 5 liters per 100 kilometers. I think a diesel engine would be a little bit better. In the end, you cannot complain about that. It's really economic. The noise inside is a little bit loud for me compared to other cars. But I didn't expect it to be better, of course. Yeah, and if you shift down one gear, acceleration is better, of course. You got everything you need with such a car. Perfect daily driver for non-car guy people. Visibility is really good. I like the mirrors. They got a nice, decent size, and you got a great overview. This is important for me as well when I buy a car. So, but here we are. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. subscribe and like my channel, hit the bell on to get notified when I make a new upload, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, guys.